Creating and selling stickers on Canva can be an exciting way to express your creativity and make some extra income. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to walk you through how you can design your stickers, get them printed, and even start selling them online. So, let's dive into it. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for a free account on Canva. Head over to the Canva website and sign up using your email or social media accounts. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start designing your stickers. Now that you're logged in, it's time to set up your canvas with the right dimensions for your sticker design. Stickers typically work best on a square canvas, giving you ample space to create both individual designs and grouped layouts. Here's how you can get started. On your home page, click the Create a Design button to begin. Select the Custom Size option from the drop-down menu. Change the measurement units from pixels to inches for better precision. For a standard sticker design, I recommend using a 10x10-inch canvas as your starting point. This size is versatile and works well for most sticker designs, but feel free to adjust based on the size you envision for your stickers. Using a square canvas is especially useful if you're designing a sticker sheet with multiple stickers of varying shapes and sizes. It allows you to plan the arrangement of each sticker, ensuring they fit perfectly on the page and are ready for printing. If you plan to create smaller stickers, such as for planners or notebooks, you might want to reduce the dimensions to something like 4 by 4 inches. But a 10x10-inch canvas still provides a great starting point for more flexibility. Whether you're working with round, square, or custom-shaped stickers, Canva makes it easy to adjust the dimensions and get your designs just right. Now the creative fun begins. Designing stickers is all about letting your imagination run wild, and with Canva, the possibilities are endless. Let's break it down step by step to create the perfect sticker design. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Elements tab. Here's where you'll find an endless selection of shapes, icons, illustrations, and even animated elements. If you're designing for a specific theme like a birthday or a cozy winter season, you can search terms like birthday cakes, snowflakes, or coffee cups to discover just the right graphics to fit your theme. Scroll through the selection and pick the elements that best match your vision. Canva has an expansive library of both free and paid graphics, allowing you to mix and match different styles. Whether you want a sleek modern vibe or something more playful and whimsical, there's something for every aesthetic. After you've chosen your elements, it's time to get hands-on. Resize, rotate, and adjust the colors to make everything pop. If your design needs a personal touch, you can add text as well. Click on the Text tab to choose from a variety of font styles that align with your theme, whether you're adding a fun phrase or a motivational quote. To make the most of your canvas space, arrange your stickers in a way that's both functional and visually balanced. Leave enough room between each design to ensure they're easy to cut out later. Use Canva's grid lines to keep everything aligned, making sure each sticker has its own space to shine. Take a step back and review your design. Adjust the positioning, sizing, and spacing until everything looks harmonious. Consider the layout and whether it's easy to cut the stickers once printed. You can also add borders around each sticker for a neat, professional look. Once you're satisfied with your sticker designs, it's time to download and prepare them for printing or sharing. In the top right corner of your Canva workspace, you'll find the Download button. Click on this to open your download options. Now you'll need to select the format that works best for your needs. If you're planning to print your stickers, it's recommended to choose PDF print. This format gives you the highest quality and ensures crisp, clean images when printed. Alternatively, if you want to share your stickers online or on social media, you can opt for a PNG or JPEG format. PNG is especially useful if you need a transparent background, while JPEG is a good option if you're looking for a smaller file size. If you've designed multiple stickers and want to download them as a set, be sure to select all pages in the download settings. You can also choose to download specific pages if you only want to print a few designs. After selecting your preferred format and settings, hit download. Canva will process your file, and within moments, you'll have your sticker designs ready to be printed, shared, or used in any other way you'd like. Once the download is complete, you can save the file to your computer, ready to upload it to a printing service, send it to friends, or use it for any other purpose. Now that your sticker designs are ready, you can move forward by using a print-on-demand service like Printful to get them printed and delivered directly to your customers. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to upload your designs to Printful. First, go to Printful's website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. After registering, log into your Printful account using the credentials you just created. Navigate to the product catalog and search for stickers in the search bar. Printful offers a variety of sticker options, but sticker sheets are a great choice for showcasing multiple designs at once. Choose the sticker sheets option, which lets you print several designs on a single sheet. This is a great way to bundle your stickers and offer them as a set to customers. After selecting sticker sheets, click on Start Designing to open the Design tool. You'll be able to upload the sticker designs you've created and arrange them on the sheet. In the Design tool, simply drag and drop your sticker designs into the designated areas. You can resize and adjust the placement to fit everything neatly. Make sure there's enough space between each design so that they can be easily peeled off later. Once you've arranged your stickers on the sheet, Printful will show you a preview of how your design will look once printed. This is the perfect time to make any last-minute tweaks to your design. If everything looks good, you can move on to the next steps. Set up your pricing and shipping preferences, and Printful will take care of printing, packing, and shipping the stickers directly to your customers when they place an order. With Printful handling the logistics, you can focus on marketing and selling your custom sticker designs while they handle all the production and shipping behind the scenes. Printful provides a great feature that allows you to create a custom layout for your sticker sheet, ensuring that your designs are presented perfectly. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting your sticker sheet set up. First, click on Choose File to upload the sticker design file that you downloaded from Canva. Whether it's a PNG, JPEG, or PDF, Printful will accept the file format and display it on the Layout tool. After uploading, your sticker design will appear on the sheet. From here, you can start positioning your stickers. Click and drag each one to adjust its placement on the page. If you have multiple designs, make sure they are properly aligned and spaced. If there are extra borders around your design or you need to fine-tune the edges, use Printful's Crop tool. This helps remove any unnecessary white space or background that may have been added during the design process. Pay attention to the spacing between your stickers. Printful will automatically warn you if the stickers are placed too closely together, which could lead to designs merging when cut. It's important to adjust the distance between each design to ensure they remain separate and neatly cut. Before finalizing, use the preview function to see how the sheet will look once printed. This is your chance to ensure everything is aligned and nothing is overlapping. Make any additional adjustments as needed. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click Continue to move forward. At this stage, you can select your quantity and finalize the details of your order. After you've adjusted everything, you can preview how your stickers will look. If everything looks good, go ahead and place your order. Printful will print and ship your stickers to your customers once they've been ordered through your online store. Once your stickers are ready, it's time to get them into the hands of customers. There are several platforms you can use to sell your sticker designs, each offering different benefits and opportunities for exposure. Don't underestimate the power of social media when it comes to selling stickers. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok can be used to showcase your designs in fun and engaging ways. You can create posts, stories, or videos that highlight your stickers in action, showing how they look on laptops, water bottles, or notebooks. These platforms allow you to build a following, interact with customers, and promote your online store. If you prefer more control over your business, creating your own online store might be the way to go. With platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can design a branded storefront, manage customer orders, and handle your marketing. This route requires more effort in terms of setup and promotion but offers full control over your brand and pricing. Etsy is a popular marketplace for handmade, custom, and unique products. It's a great platform for artists and creators to sell stickers because it already has an established customer base looking for custom and one-of-a-kind items. Set up your shop, upload your designs, and you're good to go. Etsy also provides powerful tools for marketing, including promotions, ads, and customizable shop features. In addition to online platforms, consider selling your stickers at local markets, pop-up shops, or craft fairs. This allows you to connect directly with potential customers, and it can help build a loyal customer base in your community. By using a combination of these platforms and strategies, you can effectively promote and sell your sticker designs, reaching a broader audience and maximizing your sales potential. Also, don't forget to create multiple sets of stickers based on different themes. For example, you can make a set for birthdays, holidays, or motivational quotes. The more variety you offer, the better chance you have of attracting different customers. Pay attention to what's trending. You can also create stickers for niche groups or fandoms. Make sure to research your competition and price your stickers accordingly. Remember to factor in the cost of production, shipping, and any platform fees when setting your price. Creating and selling stickers using Canva and Printful is a great way to tap into the booming world of custom products. With just a little creativity and effort, you can create beautiful sticker designs, print them on demand, and start selling them online.